We is trying to look glued up.
Diamonds are forever.
Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup Moo, and I am back with another tutorial. Okay. So I wanted to show you guys pretty much my go-to sultry vixen look, okay, using this bomb highlighter that Offer gifted me, okay. You guys actually collabed with Miss Nikki Tutorials to create this. I've been wanting to try their products for so long, and when I got this in the mail, honey, I was the person to turn my camera on, okay? So enough with the chitter chatter, because y'all know I hate long intros, okay? I feel like, sis, get to the point. So let's just get to the point. I already moisturized my face using my Pond's moisturizer, but I'm gonna go ahead and prep with some Fix Plus. You know, the girls be hating on Fix Plus, but Fix Plus is that girl, okay? And then I'm gonna kind of let that dry down, and then I'm going to press my Black Up primer into my skin. I'm going to warm it up with my fingertips, and we just want to press that in. And I really like this primer because it has SPF 25, and it don't give you that like ashy cast like that most SPF primers give. I just want to press that into the skin. Also too, my skin is dry as hell, so my moisturizer mixed with my Fix Plus and this primer really gives that skin like a within glow. We don't want to be looking ashy out here, okay? We is trying to look glued up. Y'all, my nose is running and it's really getting on my nerves. Ain't even put the foundation on yet and they outside with them sirens. So y'all, I'm still rocking with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I really like this foundation. I love the finish that it gives. And of course, I'm in the shade Chai. So I'm just gonna use my Real Techniques brush and press that into the skin. And notice that I'm pressing it into the skin. I'm not like rubbing it on. No, sis, we's not giving that. We's giving press on. And when you press the foundation into the skin, it just gives it a more skin-like appearance, and it just looks more flawless. You don't have those streaky, like you don't have that streaky look to it, you know what I'm saying? Like, no, press it in so that it kind of melts into the skin. And I use about 2 pumps of this foundation because the girl loves coverage. Even though I don't really need the coverage, but I just really like the look of a full beat. And make sure you blend underneath the chin so that way you can't see when you stop your foundation. Okay, can't have my best friends out here looking weak. Alright, so now that we have a pretty blank canvas, we want to add some highlights to bring those cheeks back out and some contours to have that face snatched. Alright, so I'm going to follow up with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha, and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes with this color. Y'all, this, I get a lot of questions about if I like the Tarte concealer over this one, and for a while I felt like, man, that's a tough choice, but the finish of this Born This Way concealer, like, is so freaking flawless that I feel like I might like it a little bit more than the Tarte concealer. And not even only that, you just get way more product and way more bang for your buck. So if you feel like, dang, Moo go in between the Tarte Shape Tape and the Born This Way concealer, I don't know which one I want to buy, I would say just go for what you gonna get more, you know, for your coins, sis. Just get this one, because this one is bomb as fuck. And I think they're around the same price, but you just get more product with the Too Faced concealer. So now I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to again press this concealer into the skin. That way we still have a flawless finish, no streaks, and it's going to be giving skin. And if y'all feel like you can really clearly see the distinction between your concealer and your foundation, just keep pressing that product into the skin and it should blend out. If not, just take the brush that you use to put your foundation on with and just kind of press the edges of that together so that they merge and it just looks seamless. Okay, see that? Boom. Don't be afraid to use your fingers if you have to. Your fingers are warm and it'll really blend and move the foundation and concealer how you want it to move if your brush is not doing the job. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and start blending on the under eye concealer. And I really like to do my edges first because I like that to look real seamless with that foundation, boo. Real seamless. And I like a lot of coverage under my eyes because I feel like you can get the biggest Chanel up in the store if you want it under my eyes. Okay, so I do like to have a lot of I like for my concealer to get full coverage under my eyes to hide that. Okay, don't nobody want no bags under their eyes. I just only want my bags on my arm. So you want to blend that. You see how seamless that look? You see that? If you feel like it's not seamless enough, just again take your foundation brush, no product, and just press that in. Oh god, it sounds horrible. My nose, just miss my nose. And then keep tapping that product in. And y'all see how I'm still glowing from within? That's the look that we are just giving, okay? And I promise you, when I add the finishing touches, you're gonna be like, girl, you gonna see me from across the street, okay? You really wanna make sure you blend as well as you can under your eye, because when you use that powder to set, however your concealer look under your eyes, when you set it with that powder, that's how it's gonna look all day. So if you feel like you have too much crease under your eyes, that's because you did not blend under your eye. You didn't make sure it was smooth enough before you pack that powder on top. Okay, and to set under the eye, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And my beauty blender is slightly damp because I want this powder to melt into the concealer. Okay, I'm also going to use the translucent Laura Mercier to set everywhere I put the concealer. Okay, so I don't want a super harsh contour, so I'm not going to use a cream before I use a powder. I'm just want to use powder. So y'all know how I feel about the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. Like, this palette is so bomb, and they just came out with a darker palette. I haven't found it in stores yet, but as soon as I find it, sis, it's going right in the studio, okay, for my clients. So I'm just going to take the contour color and just give my cheeks a little, oh, that's too much, a little bit of definition. Okay, but I guess we ain't gonna give super contour today. Oops, my bad. I'm just gonna do the other side. I guess we just wanna be giving snatched. And then I'm gonna take that sculpt powder that's in the palette and then just kind of diffuse the edges of the contour powder. And I'm gonna take some of my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder and just kind of put some around my mouth area because I crease real bad right there. Cause you not be talking too much, so it be creasing zoom. As well as my smile lines and above my lip because I sweat real bad above my lip for some odd reason. Just kind of let that sit for a little minute. And y'all, I would literally be no one if I didn't wear my burnt peppers on my cheeks. Okay, so we're just gonna flush her on in. And this color look real bomb with my hair color. Like, sis, I be serving the looks, okay? And now I'm just gonna dust that off. I literally only had it on for probably 45 seconds. And now the face is perfect. So I don't really want to put nothing on my eyes, but I am going to put a little bit of eyeliner, a lash, and some mascara. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Inglot number 77 because they be having the girl looking so bomb. So I just want to put that on my waterline. I just love how it make my eyes appear smaller and more like seductive, you know? And then I'm just gonna coat my lashes with the In Extreme Dimension mascara, my all-time favorite. Really, not too many other mascaras compare. Cause I like my lashes to look real clumpy. I don't like loose, watery mascaras. It's just not my thing. I feel like the clumpier your mascara looks, the more dramatic the look gives, even if you being like, you know, even if you just giving a soft beat. If you want a more detailed, if you want to see a more detailed video on how I do my bottom lashes, there is a video on my channel already on that. Okay, so go check it out. Thank you. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Bottom lashes looking real spidery. That's how I like it, honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little generic lash on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so to really give my face that extra pizzazz, I'm really excited to try this Ofra Blind the Haters highlighter, okay? That's my type of highlighter, sis. I want to blind the haters, okay? I want my haters to see me from across the street and be blinded by my beauty. So first off, could we just get into the packaging? I really love simple packaging. Like, this is so pretty. And let me show y'all the shade we working with. Yes, get into it, honey. I can already see that that's gonna look popping on my skin. Honey, Ofra gifted me this highlighter, and so I have a gift for y'all too, okay? Use Ofra 20 on their website and get 20% off your first order, okay? So let's see what this highlighter is giving. So I'm gonna use my Morphe M510 brush. And let's give it a go. Let me tell you something, Miss Nikki used this product, and her highlighter is always blinding, okay? And you know what I love about this highlighter? It don't sit on top of your face. I hate highlighters that give that chunky, glittery look. It is just sitting on top of your foundation. Everything else, it just does not look good to me. And this is already melting into the skin without me even using my finishing spray. Well, if you don't go use that discount code to get this highlighter for 20% off, you are tripping sin. Honestly, this just set the look off. You will be seeing this highlighter in all my videos moving forward. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that down with the Fix Plus so that everything kind of merges together. It wipes the powdery look away. And your skin looks like skin. And for lips, we are going Zork, okay? So I'm going to use Choco Tease from MAC. It is a liquid lipstick, but I will be using it as a lip liner. And I'm going to line my lips with that. And for lipstick, I will be using Brick House from the Lip Bar. Y'all, I love their liquid lipsticks. It's so perfect. This color is so pretty. And the formula does not dry out my lips. Alright, y'all, this is the final beat, okay? Get into this highlight, okay? Can we just say yes to Ofra? I swear, if y'all don't go get this highlighter, don't talk to me, okay? Don't talk to me. But yeah, this is our final look. This Brick House looks so bomb with my red hair. I'm feeling myself. Bye, girl. I'm gonna go take some pictures and go out. See you in my next video. Shabloop.